Even though the temperatures are reaching triple digits, winter will be here before we know it. That may be good news for some people, right? We have Chandler Steffy with Superstorm Restoration here to explain what to do for homeowners to help get our homes ready for the cold and for the fall. Thanks for being here.
Well, thanks for having us again.
Well, it's back to school season, which is a good time to kind of refresh and think about things, including our home and our roof, right?
Yes. A lot of homeowners, with everybody going back to school now, all start looking back at their homes. You know, we're sitting here today in 100-degree plus weather, and little do we know, 12 weeks out, we're going to be down in cold weather. And so a lot of people are starting to prepare their homes for winter as it gets here.
And what can you do to help us do that?
Well, one thing that we've talked about in the past is we have our full property evaluation. So we want to come out and help homeowners look at their property, give them a full evaluation with a report showing the status, whether they have maintenance work, whether they have repair work. You know, this year we've had some good storms go through and some from last year that maybe they have some damages they need to have worked on. And those are things we identify, help with homeowners, and the great thing for us is we're able to get this work done before winter gets here.
And you have great technology for that evaluation process, right? To check everything out.
Oh, 100%. We have our own proprietary app that we use that documents everything that we keep for today, tomorrow, and the future. And then we finalize everything with a drone that we fly over the top, again, to document it. Helps us with measurements, help us identify any changes from the last time we were at your property. And then we're able to sit down with an educated report of what you need to do to get your house ready for winter.
Okay, and so now's the time to do that, to get that fall evaluation, right? Because if you need a new roof, it's not too late.
Oh no, it's not too late, especially for us right now. We're able to take more work on. We're about 3 weeks out at most on our projects of what we're doing. You know, one thing that's really special about what we do, looking at it's 100 degrees today and it's going to be really cold, with every project that we put a roof on, we actually do a free attic inspection. And we go through and we look at the condition of the attic, whether it's ventilating the right way. So we're not only getting you ready or solving these heat problems of the summer, but we're getting you ready for winter so then you can keep the heat within your home.
Oh, that's really important.
Oh, yeah, very important.
What other services do you offer as far as winter approaches? Is there anything else we need to consider?
You know, looking at gutters right now, we're going to have fall. The leaves are going to start falling, so there's going to be gutters that are getting clogged, you know, whether you have gutter protection on top of it. Like I said, your roof. We look at siding. We look at, again, I said your gutters already. Fascia, any type of exterior work that you need to have done, we actually can help you with.
What makes you so unique at Superstorm Restoration?
You know, I think it's the enthusiasm of the team. I know our process and how we do our process. Not everybody needs their work done today or needs something done today. It might be in the future. And the way we document everything, you know, like I've said in the past, we've done now over 13,000 evaluations in the Des Moines area of houses.
Wow.
So we can go back historically and look at each house that we evaluate and tell you how things are changed or haven't changed. And most homeowners don't have that ability with their contractor that they use. Yeah,
you've shown us the report before. It is very big and detailed, which is nice. And I've met a lot of members of your team, and they're also great.
No, we have a fun team. It's every day coming to work is great. We have you know, this last week we just had a big barbecue at the office and just a lot of unity within our team, and we love to share that with the community.
Well, Chandler, thanks so much for being here as we go back to school and think about fall and even the W word, winter.
Yes, right.
When it's this hot, we get excited about it though, right?
Yeah, these are the days we pray for those cold days,
yeah,
right?
That's right, that's right. Well, thanks again. To learn more on how to get your property evaluated by Superstorm Restoration, you can call 515-225-4880 or go online to superstormrestoration.com. You can also check them out on social media.